The periodic table. 8.5c. Interpret the arrangement of the periodic table, including groups and periods, to explain how properties are used to classify elements. Essential questions. How is the periodic table organized? Which elements will have similar physical and chemical properties? Organization of the periodic table. Mendeleev organized the elements on the periodic table. He organized the table in three ways: by atomic number, into groups, which are columns that go up and down, and periods, which are rows that go from left to right. Separation of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Atomic number increases. Groups and families, there are 18, they go up and down. Periods and rows, there are 7, they go left to right. The group number is the number on top, 1, 2, all the way to 18. The periods are the numbers on the left, and it's 1 through 7. Metals are on the left of the periodic table. Nonmetals are on the right. Metalloids are the ones touching the bolded line. Majority of the elements on the periodic table are metals. Hydrogen is the only non-metal on the left side of the periodic table. Families on the periodic table. Groups are also called families. Elements in the same group or family have similar physical and chemical properties. Groups, the columns on a periodic table. There are 18 groups, and each group tells you how many valence electrons those elements will have. Group 1, 1 valence electron. Group 2, 2 valence electrons, so on and so forth. Group 18 have 8 valence electrons, except for hydrogen. It has 2 valence electrons. Group 1 are called alkali metals. Hydrogen is not a member, it is a nonmetal. They have 1 valence electron in the outer shell. They are soft and silvery metals, and they are very reactive, especially with water. Group 2 are alkaline earth metals. They have 2 valence electrons in the outer shell. They are white and malleable. They are reactive, but less than the alkali metals. Transition metals. They are groups 3 through 12. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. Some are used for jewelry, example, gold and platinum. The transition metals are able to put up to 32 electrons in their second to last shell. Group 13 is called the Boron family. Group 14, the carbon family. And these families are named from the element at the top. Group 15, the nitrogen family. Group 16, the oxygen family. Group 17 are called the halogen family. They have 7 valence electrons in the outer shell. They are all nonmetals. They are very reactive, are often bonded with elements from group 1, and they are the ones that form salt. Group 18 are the noble gas family. They have 8 valence electrons in the outer shell. It is a full outer shell, except for helium. Made up of all gases. They do not react with any other element. They are inert. They are the most stable elements on the periodic table. That is your lesson on the periodic table.